Normally, I only railfan when it's warmer out, but it's snowing, so I had to take the opportunity. Hi, I'm HL Hobbyist, and I am a railfan. Let's get started. We're here on the Norfolk Southern Reading Line and Lehigh Line where they meet in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. This is my current only railfanning spot that I've actively used, but that will change when the weather warms up. As you can see, we're getting quite the snowstorm, and of course that meant I had to come out and get in some pictures. This is actually recorded after I've seen a few trains, so I definitely have content for this video. I believe a CSX unit is coming, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, enjoy the video, and enjoy whatever trains there's to see. The first train that came through was this westbound intermodal, led by an EMD SD40-ACE. I didn't get very good photos because I was surprised to hear a full crossing sequence for this private crossing. When I arrived, there was a short local parked in a siding next to the main line. After the intermodal cleared, it departed westbound. It was an SD40-2, ex-Norfolk and Western, number 6150, pushing the train. Another train that was there when I had arrived was this eastbound intermodal. On the Lehigh line, it sat, led by a duo of GE-9s. This train wasn't very exciting. It was long and slow, so I've cut out most of the boring parts. Definitely my favorite catch of the day, the next train that came through was eastbound 66Z, a tanker train for those of you who aren't aware. It had a CSX unit trailing second of 2, so that was nice to see. It's my first CSX unit I've ever caught. I also got a nice horn show from the crew. The next train was another eastbound intermodal, this time led by an AC44C6M. Then this little guy showed up. He brought this consist of intermodal cars up to the sidings, and actually honked for me when I waved, but it was from a distance so I wasn't able to get video. Normally I don't show many photos in my rail fanning videos, and I expect it to stay that way. If you want a full collection of photos, please do check out my website or my Instagram, links in description. Then I saw my first light power move. It was 3 units, an EMD SD40-ACE, a GE-9, and a GEVO. They came and coupled up to that consist of intermodal cars that the switchers had brought in. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. I'll get back to a normal schedule now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for more train content in both the rail fanning and the model trains. And I'll see you guys down the HO Hobbyist main line. Bye!